Ever parked your car and wondered how that dent got there? Whether it's a hit and run or someone trying to break in, with Smart Parking or Smart Sense Parking, Nextbase gives you 2 levels of protection. If your parked car is hit, Nextbase's Smart Parking automatically records any hits or bumps while you're away, then protects the file so it doesn't get overwritten. So when you return to your vehicle, you have their info. This means holding that person accountable for damages and not living with it, or paying for it out of your own pocket. But what if you want real-time alerts from your parked car? Smart Sense Parking adds built-in proximity sensing surveillance, expertly detecting movement near your car and notifying you instantly. This gives you the power to act in real time, and in some cases prevent anything serious from happening. Whether you need passive recording for incidents or proactive measures to stop them before they happen, Nextbase has you covered. Smart Parking protects your vehicle by capturing crucial evidence, while Smart Sense Parking actively detects threats in real time. Don't leave your car unprotected. Activate Smart Parking or Smart Sense Parking with a Nextbase dashcam.